Welcome to Kids Learning Center.
Hello kids. In this video, we will learn alphabet.
The farmer in the dell. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife.
A.
The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
B.
B.
The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child.
C.
C.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho
D.
the
D.
dairy-o, the child takes the nurse.
E.
E.
Takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho
F.
the dairy-o, the nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog.
G.
G.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog. The dog
H.
takes the cat.
H.
The dog takes the cat.
Red color.
Hi-ho the
Red
dairy-o,
color.
the dog takes the cat.
Orange
Cat
color.
takes the mouse.
Orange
The
color.
cat takes the mouse.
Yellow color.
Hi-ho the dairy-o,
Yellow
the
color.
cat takes the mouse.
Blue color.
Blue color.
Green
Mouse
color.
takes the cheese.
Green color.
Mouse takes the cheese.
Purple color.
Hi-ho the
Purple
dairy-o,
color.
the mouse takes the cheese.
Pink color.
Stands alone.
Pink color.
The cheese stands alone.
Brown color.
Hi-ho the
Brown
dairy-o,
color.
The cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
A for apple.
A for apple.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
B for ball.
B for ball.
The wheels on the bus. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish,
C for cat.
swish.
C for cat.
The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town.
D for doll.
D for doll.
The wheels on the bus. Yeah!
E for egg.
Wheels on the bus.
E for egg.
Yeah! Horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep.
F for frog.
Beep, beep,
F for frog.
beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town.
G for glass.
G for glass.
The wheels on the bus.
H for hat.
H for hat. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H.
People on the bus go up and
Thank you. See you soon.